Alright, we are just leaving Helena, Montana. Weather's supposed to be pretty good today. A few clouds. It's supposed to be decently warm. Hopefully I won't get any thunderstorms today. Today we're crossing the border back home. We'll be home tonight. A couple little things to see along the way, but not as scenic as what we've already seen. You know, I'm not sure about this guy. He keeps following me. Does anybody know how to get rid of a demon rider? Exorcism? A prayer circle? Maybe start flirting with him a bit or something? I finally get some good scenery, and a bug goes and smashes himself dead center on my camera. Ah, hell. The Little Prickly Pear Creek runs through this canyon. Now this was a pleasant surprise, as being in the north part of Montana, I was expecting prairie the whole way. Can we speed this interstate nonsense up a bit? Oh, cool. Thanks, man. Just taking a pit stop in Sweetgrass, about to cross the border back home. Mostly a travel day, just blast along the interstate. A little bit of good scenery, but now we're kind of back into the prairies, so it's a little flat and boring. But I don't know, we'll see if we can't find something half decent to take a picture of here on our way home. There were a lot of RVs on the I-15, all heading to this border crossing apparently. The Calgary Stampede was starting in a few days, so the line at the border to get into Canada was a bit long. I appear to be in the middle of nowhere yet again. There must be another portal to hell around here somewhere. The CP Trestle Bridge was completed in 1909. It's 1.6 kilometers long and has a maximum height of 96 meters over the Old Man River. This is the highest and longest bridge of its kind in North America. I'm beginning to think that being out on my bike actually generates thunderstorms. This is Highway 25. I was going to take Highway 23, which would have put me in Vulcan for a fuel stop. I ended up over here somewhere. My fuel light came on, and there's no gas here. It was 50 kilometers to Vulcan. Now obviously I did make it, and I had about maybe a liter to spare. I do always love a good adventure. Alright, last tank of fuel before I get home. I was hoping to skirt the edge of that storm, but I must have used up all of my good luck getting out of hell. Now I did only hit the edge, but it rained so hard that I had to pull over because I could not see anymore. I ended up getting off the freeway and made my way home through all the residential neighborhoods. There's lots of water on the roads, which made the ride a little bit sketchy. Now fortunately, it was somewhat localized, and things dried up pretty quickly. But I was already soaked, so whatever. Well, I made it home. I did not beat the thunderstorm this time. I got absolutely soaked. I was 10 minutes from home and it was so bad I actually had to pull over, change my goggles, and even then I could still hardly see. So I got off the freeway, went through a bunch of residential areas where the storm drains were backed up, so there's huge puddles. It was actually kind of dangerous, but I'm home. No close calls, didn't slip nothing, hit a few puddles. My pants are soaked, my feet are soaked, but I'm home in one piece. Great trip, loved it, awesome scenery. So I guess just one final little bit of hell before I get home, a torrential downpour. But hey, that's what bike rides are about.